In this video, I'm going to show you how to move your photos to your iCloud storage on your iPhone. So to go and move your photos over to your iCloud, we first need to open up the Settings application. Click on your profile name at the top of this screen. Click on iCloud and then click on Photos underneath Save to iCloud. Now to move all of your photos over to iCloud, you need to ensure that Sync This iPhone is turned on and enabled, and just ensure that the status is turned on and syncing. So if you do see a Sync Now button, go ahead and click on that and click on Resume Syncing. You'll also want to make sure Optimize iPhone Storage is checked like this, and this will essentially keep a backup of all of your photos on the iCloud. So once this process is finished, you can decide to go and delete photos from your iPhone and just keep them on the iCloud itself. Or if you have this option checked where it says Optimize iPhone Storage, this is going to keep a small copy of the photo on your iPhone and keep the original full-size resolution photo on the iCloud itself. Now, depending on how many photos you have here, this may take a few hours to go and sync all of your photos. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.